so today you'll be following me to get my hair done with my friend and stylist Ashley Alazia Stafford, Miss Ashley Alazia Stafford. Here is my hair right now, which is very frizzy and a bit of waves in there. It's really long. Let me like sit up. It's really long. I always wear like long weave. And yeah, so we're gonna be wanding it. So as you can see it here, this is how it looks like. I am running late as usual. Never on time to my, well, I'm gonna get there right on the dot, so I'm not that late, but I'm just stopping for gas. Going to get something to eat for breakfast, well, lunchtime. And yeah, so here's how my hair looks. Really frizzy, dry. And then when you see me inside there, you're gonna, well, when we get to the salon, you're gonna be watching me doing a whole makeover. So get ready to see, dolls, and I'll see you when we get there, because this is going to be a long appointment. I have to find a snack. Well, this is not a snack, this is a whole meal. And I really don't know, so let me just go up to the window. They still have breakfast, so I think I'm going to do breakfast. Oh shoot, I'm going to mix breakfast with actual fries, because I don't like hash browns, even though hash browns is a fry. Hello? Hello?
Thank you for choosing Jack in the Box. What can I get for you?
Hi, yeah, so I want to get your I think it's brunch. I don't know. The croissant with the croissant with fries. It's a meal. Instead of hash brown, I want fries instead. The croissant.
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. You have the super pork croissant?
Yeah.
One sausage and one supreme?
Yeah. Well, I just want fries. Yeah, a meal. A croissant with fries and a drink.
Yes, ma'am. So you want the number 21 or the number 22 on our breakfast menu?
Well, I want the croissant to have egg, cheese, and sausage inside it, and bacon.
Egg, cheese, and sausage.
And bacon.
And bacon.
Yeah.
Okay. And what size fry would you like?
No hash brown, just fry.
Yes, ma'am. Small, medium, or large?
Medium.
Medium fries?
Well, small fries. Let me not do too much now.
Do you want medium or small, love?
Small.
Small fries?
Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of drink for you?
Do you have any iced tea? Well, do you have any like...
Unsweet and sweet tea.
Okay, let me just do a Coke with light ice.
Coke, light ice.
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
Okay. You have the number 22, add bacon with a small fry and a Coke.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm. This is how I normally wear my hair when I'm out vlogging and just, you know, let it wavy and just kind of relax. I just let it be like that. Sometimes I add curls, sometimes I don't, but I just let it stay in its natural state, which is wavy. And this is before the process begins to have really tight, pretty bouncy wanded curls. First, Ashley brushes out my hair. Sometimes she will blow dry depending the situation, but right now we're just going to brush it out. And that's Ashley behind me. I'm going to tag her Instagram handle below, and she's out here in Spring, Texas in the Blue Line studio. I'll put all her information down below if you want to go and get your hair done by her. Really good prices and really sweet personality, as you can see through this video. So she's just brushing out my hair and making sure it's perfect, because that is the first step before you curl. You brush it out, make sure there's no tangles for you to get this, achieve this bouncy curl look. And she's just fixing my hair. I'm all sectioned off and I'm ready for some curls. Always start at the bottom because it's easier, and you can just work your way up to the top. As you can see already, the curls are really bouncy, and we are actually using the Lee Stafford Chopstick curler, and I'm going to put the information down below. I've done half the hair. It really doesn't take long with this wand. It's very, very simple and easy to follow. Now she is just bouncing out my curls, I guess, and not detangling them, but separating them. And as I said, I'll put the link down below. It is my favorite curling tool because it is just so gorgeous. I just love it. I love the way it makes my hair look like almost like it's, you know, already done that way.
So combing them out with your finger is always better than brushing them out because you keep them, the curls really defined, yet you still get the volume by combing them with your fingers.
Normally I comb them. Now I've learned something new today. It's defined and it's not like rough.
Right. Look at that.
Wow.
And they're gonna last for days.
It's really pretty. And then the color looks good too.
Right. Look at that.
I love it. What Ashley said is so true. I always used to comb out my curls to make it really big and bouncy, but letting them drop, especially with the humid Houston weather, it makes it just stay in. It makes it stay really fresh really quickly, really for longer, sorry. And Ashley just showed you the products that she's using on my hair to give my curls some like lusciousness, because as you can see, on one side without being curled my hair is kind of dry, and on the other side it's nice and luscious. So she's spraying all this product in, which you can screenshot the video to get an image of the products that she's using. I can also get her to link the information down below if you want to use them. But also come in and check out Ashley out if you want your hair done for like a special occasion like this, because she's really good at doing this. Okay, so we're getting halfway done with the hair, and as you can see, the other side, the color stands out so much more that I have in the color treatment I have in my hair stands out so much more when the hair is curled. And as I was saying, this wand, I think we forgot to show you, but if you can zoom in, you can kind of see that it's a square shape, and I think that's what makes the curls look very, very, very pretty and bouncy. It's different from your regular wand shape. It's actually very squared. I've never seen a wand that is squared, and I burnt it. As you can see, there it is. I kind of burnt it, like I put a bag around it, but it still works perfectly. You can only get this chopstick styler from the UK. I ordered mine on Amazon because I ordered mine on Amazon, and I paid Amazon Prime so it can come really quickly, and it came literally within 3 days of me ordering it. And Ashley just separates my curls. It makes it more bouncier and fuller. I never used to do this when I do my hair, so I learned a new tip even just through this video. So we're adding some curls at the top now, and as you can see, it's so detailed, it's so fast, and it's just so easy. Do you see how bouncy they are? Normally, to achieve this look, you have to do a lot of process and a lot of steps to this, but this is so simple, and this styling tool is definitely a favourite for me and Ashley, and I definitely want to order more of them for sure, because I just love the results in my hair. It's actually my favourite curling wand, and I wish he comes with a bigger barrel. So I hope he's watching this video, and you know, Lee Stafford, I hope you design big barrels so people can get really huge curls as well. When you get round to the back and you just check all of that, you're pretty much almost done. So we're just going over some curls, just adding some more definition and detail to the hair, and I can't wait to show you those the end product. And this curling iron gets really hot, so you always have to be careful. I'm almost ready to show you the big reveal. As you can see, these curls are so bouncy and so fluffy and full of life. I absolutely love them. And yes, I can't wait to show you them. Do you see how full my hair looks like? It almost looks like it's a wig right now, and I like that because as the days go by it kind of like falls, which falls really pretty, and it really lasts a long time, for like 5 days for me. So as she's just doing the finishing touches, and I'm about to do the big curl reveal. Why am I saying review? And as I said, I'm obsessed with this curler, the Stafford Chopstick curler. It literally looks like chopsticks but in a metal form, and it's perfect. Ashley loves it as well. As a stylist, she loves this product, and I love it too. So ready for the big reveal now. Here's before. And here is after. And we're done. Thank you so much for coming along with me to get my hair done. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. Give this video a big fat thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye.